The ocean covers about 71% of Earth's surface and contains approximately 97% of the planet's water. Despite its vastness, more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, making it one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. In the pursuit of knowledge, scientists embark on daring expeditions, seeking to unlock the secrets hidden beneath the waves. From ancient shipwrecks to the dark depths of deep-sea trenches, the ocean is filled with remnants of history and bizarre life forms that continue to inspire wonder. Equipped with advanced technology, marine biologists dive into the unknown, eager to chart the uncharted and discover the extraordinary life forms that thrive in darkness. The ocean is a realm of breathtaking beauty, home to magnificent creatures like the whale, which inspire awe and elevate our understanding of marine life. As the sun sets over the horizon, it reminds us of the intricate connections within marine ecosystems that are essential for the survival of countless species. In laboratories around the world, dedicated researchers tirelessly analyze ocean samples, uncovering the secrets of marine life while witnessing the magic of phenomena like bioluminescence. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest part of the ocean, reaching a depth of about 11.034 meters at Challenger Deep. It's so deep that if Mount Everest were placed inside, it would still be submerged by over 2 kilometers of water. As explorers venture into the depths of the Mariana Trench, they encounter astonishing life forms that thrive in the harsh conditions, revealing secrets of evolution in one of Earth's last frontiers. Among these wonders, the elusive giant squid emerges from the depths, a symbol of the mysteries hidden in the trench, sparking curiosity and fascination for generations. Above the tranquil waters, the true chaos lies beneath, where tectonic plates collide, creating not just the deepest point on Earth, but a dynamic ecosystem teeming with life. These hydrothermal vents serve as oases of life, nurturing diverse organisms that have adapted to one of the most extreme environments on our planet. As researchers delve deeper into this mysterious expanse, they uncover remnants of human history, reminding us that no place on Earth is untouched by our presence. Over 50% of Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean, primarily through tiny organisms like phytoplankton. These microscopic plants use sunlight to perform photosynthesis, contributing significantly to the air we breathe. As the sunlight penetrates the ocean's depths, these tiny organisms float and thrive, playing a crucial role in the Earth's oxygen supply. In vibrant underwater ecosystems, they coexist with a multitude of sea creatures, forming the foundation of the marine food chain. Researchers dedicate their efforts to understanding the health and abundance of phytoplankton, as their well-being directly impacts the planet. Through the fascinating process of photosynthesis, these organisms transform sunlight into breathable oxygen, sustaining life on Earth. During specific conditions, phytoplankton can bloom spectacularly, creating colorful patches on the ocean's surface. Educating future generations about these vital organisms empowers them to appreciate and protect the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Scientists monitor phytoplankton populations across the globe, identifying regions that contribute most significantly to oxygen production. By employing cutting-edge technology, they analyze data that reveals the intricate connections between ocean health and climate change. The ocean is home to millions of species, many of which remain undiscovered. Deep-sea creatures like anglerfish and giant squids have fascinating adaptations such as bioluminescence to survive in extreme darkness and pressure. As we explore the uncharted territories of the ocean, scientists believe countless unknown species are waiting to be discovered, each with unique traits and adaptations. Equipped with advanced technology, researchers embark on daring missions to uncover the secrets of the deep sea, shedding light on ecosystems hidden from the human eye. Among the wondrous discoveries are creatures like jellyfish, showcasing nature's artistry, their gentle glow mesmerizing all who encounter them during these deep-sea explorations. At hydrothermal vents, life flourishes against all odds as researchers study these remarkable organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, unraveling the mysteries of their survival. The ocean's giants, like the sperm whale, play a crucial role in the ecosystem, highlighting the balance of predator and prey and the complexity of underwater life. The Mid-Ocean Ridge, a chain of underwater mountains stretching over 65,000 kilometers, is the longest mountain range on Earth and is home to unique ecosystems powered by chemicals rather than sunlight. Beneath the waves, scientists venture into the depths to study these remarkable ecosystems where life flourishes in an environment devoid of sunlight. These unique life forms have developed extraordinary adaptations to survive in such a harsh environment, revealing the wonders of life that persist in the unseen world beneath the surface. Around the hydrothermal vents, a diverse community of organisms gathers, forming a complex network that relies on the geothermal energy to thrive in their isolated habitat. Scientists are continuously discovering new species and learning about the ecological significance of these underwater mountains, expanding our understanding of life on Earth. The mid-ocean ridge is not just a biological wonder. It is also a dynamic geological feature constantly reshaping the ocean floor as tectonic plates slowly drift apart.